I'm Anna.
I'm Matteo. I'm Yannick.
I'm Fien, I'm from Belgium. And we're going on a road trip.
No, that's a pole, you can't eat that. Let me show y'all what our trunk situation is looking like. Subbar, best country. And I've been here for 3 days. Do you have someone back in Germany as like a lover?
Loki might be the best pupusa that I had.
He's got a machete.
He's the coconut man.
Dude, these bugs are killing me right now. Yeah, they're in my face.
Are you saying me?
I don't want to see you eat it. This is day 2 of the El Salvadorian road trip with 4 strangers packed into one Jeep Compass and just exploring the world together. Today's gonna be a good day. Let's start the day. So I never gave you a proper tour last night because we got here, it was kind of dark, it was kind of rainy. Moods were really iffy, but this morning we're all good. Behind me here is the whole little cabin situation. That's where all our rooms. I got a private room by myself last night and that was great. Over here actually is the main kitchen and over here is like the lounging area and back here is the farm. So let's go check that out. You may be asking yourself, Donald, how did you end up on a farm in the middle of El Salvador? To be honest, I don't know. It rained a lot last night, so everything's kind of wet, everything's kind of muddy, and it's not too good. You may be thinking, there's no way he's on the farm right now. Y'all hear that? I am on a farm right now. As you can see, there's some goats right here. And they look like they want some attention. I can give you no attention, goats. Look at my mans. This guy here chilling. This man right here, he's straight chilling too. You chilling? Yeah, you chilling. Y'all want to say something? All right, that's cool too. That's cool. All right. Y'all got something to say? Hey, talk to us, man. Yeah. I think they're confused because they want me to give them food. I don't got no food for you, goats. Yeah, these are the baby goats. You got something to say? No, that's a pole. You can't eat that. We're now on the other side of the farm. And these look like a stable. They got pigs. Look at the pig and the little baby piglets. Look at that. Y'all got something to say? Y'all want to say something? A proper farm isn't a farm. I have spider webs all over me. Hold up, give me 1 second. Oh my gosh. I think they're laughing at me. It's not a true farm without horses or donkeys. I don't know what these are. Are you a horse or are you a donkey? He said what he said, all right? Oh no, this is a proper horse. Y'all see my man's back there? He's a little bit antisocial. Oh no, he coming over. There's a whole horse here. Hey, don't do that, don't do that. Horse, another horse. You got something to say, horse? No? That's what I thought too. I don't know why I'm so flabbergasted, because I'm from Texas, so this stuff is normal to me. Behind me, they even got a turkey. A turkey at this farm. Now, I'm not gonna approach a turkey because turkeys can be kind of aggressive, and I don't want to deal with that right now. Now, I don't know what this is. I think it's a... Hey, dog. Sit. Acento say something. And you know, that's just life on the farm. You know, feed the goats, feed the sheep, feed the turkey, feed the chicken, feed the horses, feed the miniature horses, feed the unknown bird-like structure. Now we need breakfast. Just like that, breakfast is served. So good. It's probably broken, to be honest.
I don't know, like the first day I was, you know, I can move it and everything, but like, yeah, after a few days just working every time, it's really good now.
Yeah.
Even if it's broken, you can do nothing. Just, like, I have to work, so forget.
Muchas gracias por agendar con nosotros, Elizabeth, Gaviotitas Tour, mi hermano Elmer.
Hey guys, welcome everybody and thank you for staying with us. My name is Elmer and Elizabeth. Look at now, we're gonna visit 7 Waterfalls and Chorros de la Calera. Straight we go down, we recommend you have a small step, the way is slippery because we are in rainy season now.
Hello. How's the hike so far?
10 out of 10.
So after a short drive through very rocky roads, we in here like swimwear, baby. Yeah, we out here a lot. We're like what, like 20 deep right now? Like there's like 20 people you'd say?
Yeah, around 20.
We're now walking on the trail before we get to, you guessed it, some waterfalls. And it is a very steep hill and we are going down it. Numero 5.
Yeah, you can see waterfall number 5 above.
7. There are 7 total waterfalls. Dude, this trail is low-key kind of hard and we're just going straight downhill the whole time.
Recommend you have a small step, the way is slippery because we are in rainy season now.
In the middle of nowhere. And there's just so much lush green. You can feel all the insects crawl over your legs every 5 seconds. Crazy.
The top of the waterfall number 1, I think we can see in 10 minutes.
Okay.
The number 1 is called the drinking because 11 communities drink water from here.
You can drink it, even if you're a gringo?
There are 2 communities on high and other 9 go down.
Okay.
Have you lived your whole life here?
Yeah,
Yeah?
but I have 4 years working in this road. Here I was a driver and I worked in construction,
Yeah.
but this is better.
This is more easy on the body. Está bien.
Relax.
We're okay.
Recommend you have a small step, the way is slippery because we are in rainy season now.
After that last fall, I am switching cameras because I don't want to break my other one. And so I am working on doing these steep stairs, and it is not the easiest trail. You see how wet it is? It just rained last night, and I mean it was pouring cats and dogs. I heard other people from other countries say that it was what do you say when it's raining hard in your country?
French?
Yeah.
Like a cow who's pissing?
Oh, a cow is pissing. That's what it was. A cow is pissing. What? Like he said, there's a snake in there.
You see the big, it's a big spider.
Oh shit! That's crazy. Spider, bro. That's a huge spider. Oh. Oh, I got spider webs all over me now. Ooh, but we get to see that baby right there. Look at that. At the huge first waterfall of the day. Woo-wee. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, we're walking. Oh, I'm so glad I did not wear shoes. But you're wearing shoes. No. You got it? She said, yeah, I got it.
Maybe not.
Let me see if I can get this up while filming. I think what's about to happen right now is we're about to climb up this waterfall.
Oh, you're not going that
All right, come on, mom, I love her, all right? Boy just climbed up a whole waterfall right now, and so did she. Boom, we're outside. We are now about to go up this waterfall right now. Up it. Crazy. Try to climb this waterfall with only one hand. Probably not the smartest of me. Actually, it's not smart at all. But yeah, I don't think I could have did it if I was doing three hands. But we're at another waterfall. Bump. My man. Woo. Still trying to climb up, but look at this rock. It is moving, guys. It is moving. Boop. This one here. This hand here. This hand here. 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 And I gotta go. You have to walk through, and you're like in the water. Oh no! I got something on my lens. Oh, all better. Oh, I'm getting soaked right now. Oh my god! Ah, chaperone! I hit my f***ing head. Yo, so. This is the last waterfall of the day, number 7, and we are soaking wet through the end. Pina, baby, pina. I'm eating a pineapple. I'm in the middle of nowhere. What are there to be mad about? Try one and you can eat it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the red ones. I want to see you eat it.
Full thing?
Yeah. You gonna eat it?
Oh, this is good. Really good.
Wow.
It's kind of weird, but it's good.
Yeah, it's kind of sweet.
I like it. It's not too bad. Loki kind of tastes like cereal.
What?
Y'all think it tastes like cereal?
No.
I think nothing. Like it tastes like cornflakes. Oh, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, this way back after the pool is very steep and slippy, slidey.
Recommend you have a small step. The way is slippery because we are in rainy season now.
I am exhausted. We're walking and we are seeing avocados and mangoes just fall straight from the trees on the ground, and you can eat them. Look at that! Crazy. Oh my God! How was the waterfalls, right? How was the waterfalls? So nice. And just like that, we're back to the beginning of the day, shooting on this camera and eating some granola and yogurt. We are packing up the car right now, and then we're gonna go to our next place. Do I know where we're going exactly? No. But this whole trip is not knowing what the future holds. So
The whole point.
the whole point is just not knowing. We just made it to the beach. We're ended up at the beach. We're waiting on them to let us in our resort. I don't know what's going on. I think something has to get cleaned or something like that. But we are waiting. But we could wait in less beautiful places.
This is the best.
Or we couldn't wait in less beautiful. I don't know.
It just fell off the tree. This cute little mango.
Mango
And it's
from
good.
that tree there. Free fruit, you can't beat it.
He's got a machete.
Ah, he's the coconut man.
We gonna ask.
See?
These things just fall off the tree. Es loco. Aquí, ay.
Hey.
Yeah.
You can drink the liquid and after swim like to cut it in half.
That's pretty good. Yeah, like it's like warm, of course, because it just was outside, but it's good.
Like
It's really good.
That was big.
We have 2 fresh coconuts, 1 fresh mango, and it all was just from the trees.
No way.
Coconut from a tree.
Mango from a
I thought they're from the coconut factory.
Selfie?
No, it's okay. That's okay.
Oh, that's a really cool picture.
Oh, that's so nice.
We just got these mangoes from the trees. It is so wild. So wild.
From the
Wow.
cow.
What coconut?
Coconut milk from Coconut Co.
And then we got a mango from the mango tree right here. Crazy.
Water in that one.
Oh, yup.
Ich will auch ein Foto.
Try to.
Man, I limbo, man.
No, wait.
Because she wants to smash it.
The flash.
She wants to smash it.
But it's quite full, like it doesn't fit.
Get it, go.
Yeah.
I want to cut it.
Okay, no, I won't.
No, smash it. It's more fun.
Yeah, but
You're gonna have to clean it up.
lose a lot.
Like,
Hey, come on.
And then pull it.
You're so strong. Wow, I'm so impressed.
Yeah. She said me, so he is like.
welcome to MTV Cribs, baby. This is the living room. We got a bedroom here. We got a bedroom here. We got a bedroom here. We got. That's a bathroom there. And then if you follow me this way, we got a full-fledged kitchen right here. Everything you could ever want, baby. Everything you could ever want. Yesterday, we were out in the farm in the middle of nowhere. And today, we're on a private villa on a private beach in El Salvador. What the heck, man? What the heck? There's literally no one else on this beach. It's just us and sand
And a doggo.
and one dog. Wow. I'm actually like speechless right now. I'm actually speechless because how often do you go to the beach and you're the only one there? The only one at the beach. Go, 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 go. Can I get him? Can I get him? Oh, it's kind of far. We're actually kind of far. And he just got to the water just now.
First time Pacific Ocean.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Sometimes in life is about living. And you can't miss out on opportunities at all. So, we're gonna catch some gnarly waves, get wet, and have the best time of our life that we can possibly have today. Because tomorrow is not promised. Oh my gosh. And the water is not cold. I met these people randomly on a free walking tour. And now we're at the beach with barrel waves just barreling. Private beach galore. And I don't know, guys. I don't know. I truly don't know what else to say. But we outside. This is crazy. What a crazy. We were literally at the jungle earlier. We were in Waterfalls. And now we're at a private beach. Crazy. Look at the stray dog. What's up, doggo? Say something. Hey, what the? Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out.
private beach, guy with shotgun guarding us.
Men with shotgun
Good
and
drinks, side of the road.
Yeah. Fresh mango from the tree.
yeah, cause like
Did you eat the avocado during the waterfall hike?
Oh no, I didn't see it like an avocado.
yeah, they had it.
Avocado, we were just making.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't have any.
Did you pick it from the tree or did it like lay on the ground?
No, it was on the ground.
Mira pues, mira ve cómo te pones.
Misma color.
Ve,
Misma color.
ve, no. ¿Cómo? Mi negro. Hey, you say me?
Sí, mismo. Mismo.
Eso, es que nosotros no, ay. Bienvenido.
Ah, gracias.
Oh, gracias.
Bienvenido, porque
One bean cheese and one chicharron, like pork.
Ah.
Like pork.
But do they have like more types or like just 2 types?
I'm sure they have more. Oh, that's right. You're vegetarian. Look, the best
First
one.
one I had was really good, but then the second one we had in Santa Ana was not that good.
Like I would join.
But this one is really good.
Yeah?
I would join, but like I.
Oh my
I
God.
can't. Oh my God. Yeah, it's fine.
No, you limit.
How long are
Muy
you?
rica. Gracias. You're gonna walk there.
Yo.
We'll pick you up because it's a long part. See you. We're back.
It's good. The best.
The best that I had since a while. I'm here.
Yes.
And it's
Okay.
crazy. To say something in German that later I'm gonna try to like translate it and see if I can like do it correctly.
Von Suki Street Food bekommt man witzig.
What have you been doing, bud?
Burritos.
You're still hungry? Oh really?
Yeah, see, it's too spicy, so now I can eat. Eat and eat. You know, it's this feeling like that.
Yes, this is the second time I'm eating in the past 30 minutes. Don't judge me. And that's it for day 2. It was a long day, a lot of waterfalls, a private beach, and to end the night, all we did was write in each other's journals and talk about life and share some more travel stories with each other. Now, thank you all for watching. Tomorrow will be the conclusion of the 3-day road trip with 4 random strangers in El Salvador. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in for day 3 where it gets pretty weird. Dude, I'm living around my trap, so it's not gonna happen like that, 'cause I ain't no holler back girl.